frontline exploits of this area. On the 1st of June 1940, a section of 3 Mark I Ansons like this, led by Pilot Officer Pete Peters, was performing one of those patrols when 9 Messerschmitt Bf-109 fighters pounced upon them. Pete Peters slowed his Anson, the Messerschmitts overshot, and 2 of them were shot down by the Anson's guns. No wonder Peters was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross and his 4 crew members the Distinguished Flying Medal. The Anson was obsolete on the front line when aircraft like the Lockheed Hudson and the Armstrong Whitworth Whitley arrived. But still it was superior to some of its intended replacements. It was more agile, something we're seeing demonstrated really well here. The crew had better visibility from it. So for example, when number 608 Squadron received the pretty terrible Blackburn Botha, pretty soon it had got its Ansons back again, much to the pleasure of the crews.
Yeah, that's basically it. Just came over.
Through the rest of the war, the Anson was much used as a light transport aircraft, including as a ferry aeroplane for the Air Transport Auxiliary, as a crew trainer for particularly bombers and other multi-engined types, especially with the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, and they carried on serving as light transports and trainers with the post-war RAF. But this one is the only airworthy example of the Anson that first went to war, the Mark I.
Yeah, as soon as we do.
When Bill Reed put it up for sale, it was bought by RAF Station Czechoslovakia, based at Podhorany Uronova, southeast of Prague, in the Czech Republic, which has a very...